今初めてだから。
おお、初めて。
He's speeding up now. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. So I will be heading to the summit now. Good day everyone. In today's video I'm going to the Mount Sanagi in the Toyota Aichiken, and I will be traveling for almost 94.1 kilometers. Here it is, and please enjoy the ride as I go along with this journey, and I will update you at every 10 kilometers. Bye. So today's weather is really very good. It's good for cycling. Konnichiwa minasan. So today's weather is really very hot, and yeah, we're still going to the Mount Sanagi, and I'm so excited. I'm now 78.1 kilometers with a total destination, and my location to Mount Sanagi will be 43 kilometers only. So the 94 there is only the total kilometers to be crossed. So I will try to follow this local rider here. He's just chilling. I've been following him for almost 20 minutes now, and then he's not really speeding up. I will just follow him for as long as I can. I'm just trying to. He's speeding up now. Oh. He's too strong. I think his age is already at 60 or 70. Oh, dyan eh. Oh, you just turn left. Okay, it's back on the course. Konnichiwa minasan. So I'm now at Nissin City, Kuminokichi, and I've traveled already 20.7 kilometers. Stay tuned, and as I journey this Mount Sanagi adventure. Yeah, matane. Oh, there he is. I will try to catch him. I think he don't just want to be followed. That's why he turned left a while ago. So let's catch up with Oji-san. Let's go. Oh, he lost. He's fast. Yeah. Oh, I've catch traffic light here, but will not give up. Uh, he turned right again. So I use the sidewalk so that I can take this video, because it's too dangerous, especially if I'm on the highway and then I'm doing this selfie video. We have a wide sidewalk here, and there, the swimming cyclist. It's excited. Feels great when I ride my bicycle. The sidewalks road is closed with the weeds. Yeah, I think I'm approaching already the Kyoto city. Okay. Toyota City. I'm now entering at the Toyota City. I have to stop first so that I can place my camera. It's too dangerous. So I'm now at the Toyota City, and so I've traveled already 25 kilometers. Yeah, enjoy the view and enjoy the ride. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe so that you will be updated to my new adventures here in Japan. I got flat tire. It's very a bad timing. Oh my god. Where's this? This is really my first time having flat tire. So where are you, puncture? There. It's a shame. It's a metal. Oh, poor boy. There. I almost made an accident there because my front tire wobbles. There you go. I hope this will work. Yeah, that I hope that it will long last. I don't know. How? Oh, please don't make scratches. Oh. I think after this repair, I will go home, or I will find a near bike shop. Yeah, that will be my goal today. I will postpone the Mount Sanagi first. I'm just so glad that my speed at the time when this front tire explode or got some puncture is not really that fast, because when it's fast, I don't know, maybe I will have an accident there. Oh, look at my bike. It's so beautiful. There's no grass to lay down. It's just the road. Actually, I'm at the traffic light. Yeah, here, there, traffic light. And then I just go down here to repair the puncture. So hopefully we can still ride up to our destination today, the Mount Sanagi. I'm already using all my resources here. I will find first the puncture. I think there's still some debris inside. Yeah, I become a mechanic in a day. You have to Shuganai. If you don't know, who else will do for you? No one. Ah, 今パンチョ
大丈夫ですか？
今初めてだから
おお、初めて。
ちょっと
あら、
ちょっと
それは大変。
すいません。そうではこんにちは。
チューブは変えた。
これはチューブレス。
あ、
チューブレス。
チューブレスだって。どこの部分がパンクしたかわかる？
今これ
ああ、
そう
抜いた？
はい。でも
やった？あ、
これ？
あ、やった。
やったです。
ハサミってある？
ハサミ。
あ、
多分ハサミじゃない。
ないね。
チューブ入ってないですか？
入ってない。
入ってない。
入ってないです。
お、いけるんですかこれ？
あとも
今この打ち込んだんで、
チューブレス。
チューブレスじゃない？
ない。
あ、チューブレスじゃないね。
チューブレスじゃなかったね。チューブが入ってた。だからそこから直してもダメだってことだね。
あ、
どこに穴が開いてるか。
これか。 なんか
多分
バッジは持ってる？
バッチがある。
ある？
ある。でも今わからないこれ。
あとは空気を入れてあげてください。
So they really helped me here.
あげようか。すごいな。
で今これ使う。
後で直しておいて。
あとで自分でやって。
あ、わかりました。で、あ、
オッケーオッケーオッケー。あとはオッケー。はい。チューブをあげる。
ありがとうございます。
いいよ。
すみません。So they're giving me the attire. ありがとうございます。
はい。気をつけていってよ。ゆっくり。オッケー。
ありがとうございます。
はい。
で、タイヤは
あげる。
ありがとうございます。すみませんでした。
じゃあね。
ありがとうございます。Oh, they helped me, guys. Actually, I thought this one is tubeless already, but wow, it has tube. And then I puncture it with this. Thanks God. I don't know, I feel helpless because this is a highway, and then I really try to hide so that I will not be seen by people, but then the two good Samaritan, good two people just passed by here, and then they have and then they really have the puncture repair. Wow, I'm so happy. I don't know what to do because I expect that this is a tubeless, but then again they give me this. I'm so thankful. Thank you, Lord. Thanks God. Thank you. Sorry, I'm so speechless. So whoever know those two good Samaritan, those two Japanese people who helped me this time, I hope I can repay them when when YouTube, and I can give them back the new tire. I'm so thankful, really, Hontoni. I think I will go home now, or I still can go with my Mount Sanagi adventure because of those two good Samaritan. You know, when you think it's already hopeless, but there are still people who will come into you and help you in the times of bad situation. Thank you. So I will continue to the Mount Sanagi, and I will pray for these two good Samaritan that they will have good health, good life, and safe journey, and abundance of grace. Thank you. Konnichiwa minasan. So I already traveled a 32.2 kilometers despite of having trouble, and yet we traveled 32.2 kilometers. So once again, I thank to those good Samaritans, those who helped me back there at the traffic injunction, and then hopefully they will have abundant grace, and I hope someday that I can repay them. So thank you once again, and enjoy the view and enjoy the rest of the journey that I will take to Mount Sanagi. Konnichiwa minasan. So I'm now entering the 13th climb of the Mount Sanagi. So there are many cars parked here. So some of them are already at the summit of this mountain, and there's also a warning which says that beware of kuma, or the bear. Here it is. So that's why I witness people having or bringing bells in case of kuma attack or bear attack. Okay, I hope that it will not attack us. I hope that there were no bears today. I'll start. So enjoy the view and subscribe to my channel. Cheer. So let's go. This is the start of the climb. I hope I can endure the pain of the legs. It's too peaceful, and then beside is river. Konnichiwa. So I don't want to talk. I just want to you experience the feeling of nature here in Sanagi Yama. So enjoy the view. Sure. Sure. Okay. Fine, a spinning wheel. So beautiful. Yeah. So fascinating to watch. Look at that. So beautiful. Sure. The full screens. Sure. Konnichiwa. 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 It's so cold in here. The temperature drops. It's because of the trees. Wow. Konnichiwa. It's getting steep. It's getting steeper and steeper as I go nearer to the summit. But I still have one gear reserve for the hilly part or the most steep part. Look at that beautiful scenery here. You can already hear my breathing. It's getting deeper and deeper. I need to summon the power of my legs right now, Ima, to conquer this hilly part. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. I need both hands in this ascent. Yeah. Konnichiwa. Oh. Let's go. Gambare. I think during descent I need to have extra care of my speed. As you can see, it's really steep here. Look at the view. Oh. Konnichiwa. Wow. So the average speed of me here Mount Sanagi is 5. It's steep here. My breathing goes deeper and deeper in this climb. I need to relax her first. I need to recover at least 1 minute. Recover. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Ooh. Finally I've recovered. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Ooh. 綺麗なここ。こんにちは。すいません。聞いてもいいですか。どこまでですか。
今からですか。
はい。
僕降りてきたんです。
あ、
もう登った。
登ってます。
一番上まで来ました。
わかりました。自転車できないね。
きついですね。
わかりました。ありがとうございます。すいません。こんにちは皆さん。So I just arrived here at this point where the bicycle or the bicycle will not or cannot go up at the summit. So I left it here. I don't know if it's allowed, but there's no bicycle parking area. So I guess I need to hike just a little to the top. Okay. So I will be heading to the summit now, and I will just show you around what it looks like to be hiking. It's really my first time hiking here or anywhere here in Japan. Wow, it's so peaceful. So I've encountered many Japanese people here, especially those, I think the age range from 50 to 70. As you can see in my city also in Aichi, I mean in Obu, many older citizens are walking every day. It's really every day. And here it is this place. The people here are very lucky. It is because they can walk with nature, but they also have to be safe at all times. It's because there are many savages that there are many signages that says please beware of Kuma. Kuma is bear. I hope that it will not let happen to any of the people who will try to hike here. Mountain is really well preserved. Look at that, look at the stairs. It is not made of stones. It is made of woods. It's made of woods. Oh, this one is made of stones. So it is mixed with stones and then woods. And it is designed perfectly for your hiking. It's not just nature made but man-made. But the nature here is really very beautiful. You can see the big trees here. And the weather also today is really very good. It's not raining. So the people who came here today, is really happy. You know, they don't have to wear raincoats or bring some umbrellas or to be cautious in walking because it's not wet. It's really dry here. And I will just enjoy the rest of the hike here, and then I will show you the summit of this Mount Sanagi. So look at the scenic view here. It's very beautiful. It looks like you're on the age of samurai. You know, when the famous movie The Batusay. I think that is Batusay, the when they fought samurai. And so this right here is their fighting place. It's look like, okay. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Look at that. It's very beautiful. Oh. Okay. So I think I'm near to the summit now. So this is their bearer of Kuma bears. I am now at the summit, I guess. Chihuahua. Really very good quote here at the summit. May peace prevail on earth. May peace prevail on earth. So especially those who have wars. So here is que la paz prevalezca en la tierra. Pues si la paz reñir, that's limonde. Yuminay. So this is the summit of the Mount Sanagi. To get my shoes because it's really difficult to descend using the cycling shoes. Okay. Oh, it's good when you're connected to the earth. No shoes. Thank. Yeah. It feels good that you don't have any shoes descending. Konnichiwa. Tararan. Nearing to the end of the descent here at the Mount Sanagi. So there it is, the Torii Gate. I have my shoes and the helmet take out. It's really comfortable. Yes. The Torii Gate. So thank you for your time, guys. Thank you for your time because I already have 10 minutes of SD card left and I'll just update you when I arrive, or maybe if I still have an SD card left, I will update you where I will eat lunch today. So it's already late, it's already 2 p.m. and I just eaten chocolate. Yeah. Arigatou gozaimasu. Metei korete arigatou gozaimasu. And If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe so that you will be updated to my adventures here in Japan. Thank you. Sumimasen. Good job. Good job. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. 日は日は日は日はすいませんすいませんでした。こんにちは。Oh, many sand. It's too dangerous. Especially if you make a sudden break. That's why in this kind of descent, you should brake before you stop. Oof. ちは。こんにちは。こんにちは。こんにちは。あ、すいません。ありがとうございます。So I'm almost done with the descent here in the Sanagi mountain. So beautiful here. It's so peaceful. So,危ない。こんにちは。 にちは。こんにちは。こんにちは。